Hey YouTube, today we talk about the Benjamin Franklin effect. Basically, Benjamin Franklin effect is used to make an enemy like you. Ben Franklin, now from the citate, was serving in Pennsylvania legislature in the 18th century. In his autobiography, he explains how he dealt with the animosity of rival legislator. Now, if you played Assassin's Creed Part 3, Benjamin Franklin appears, so you know what am I talking about. Now he citate: "Having heard that he had in his library certain very scarce and curious book, I wrote a note to him, expressing my desire of perusing that book and requesting he would do me the favor of lending it to me for a few days. He sent it immediately, and I returned it in about a week with another note, expressing strongly my sense of the favor. When we next met in the house, he spoke to me, which he had never done before, with great civility, and he ever after manifested a readiness to serve me on all occasions, so that we became great friends, and our friendship continued to his death." Now, in psychology, Ben Franklin effect is this. A person who has done someone a favor is more likely to do that person another favor than they would be if they had received a favor from that person. Similarly, the one who harms another is more willing to harm them again than the victim is to retaliate. Example: if you liked somebody and you helped him, you will probably help him again if you think that he is a great guy, positive, helpful. You will help him for bigger things probably. Opposite is if you are screwing around with somebody and he understands it very seriously, overreacts, you will do the same thing again. Now, if you are a victim, the first starts with, arguing, inflaming, whatever, bad words, humiliations. Now, if you are done striking back, even your torturer can even start to hit you, to claim even in the end that you are his bitch. You must do everything or he will slap you. So you must strike back. Remember, strike back. Find something. Grab anything you find in front of your hand and hit your striker. Hit your torturer. Cause this will go to the end of your life, this torture. This will go to the end. I mean, he will torture you always and always from you if you don't strike back. But in normal situations, if you talk about normal situation, this is the same like gaining trust. If you gain somebody's trust, he trusts you and gives you more of his roles. He will more trust you, he will do more things for you. So, in the beginning, just be good. Do a small favor. And again, if you did this to that guy, and that guy was good to you, do him a little bigger favor. This is going to Benjamin Franklin effect. If he accepts Benjamin Franklin effect, then just go for a bigger favor. And bigger favor, you can have a great friendship, or you can be a great manipulator. You choose. I always choose great friendship and great interracial and intersocial interactions. But if someone is a jerk, I cannot be a jerk. I cannot give him if he doesn't give to me. So my advice, please, Benjamin Franklin effect can be very, very useful for your life. Use it wisely. If you like this tutorial, subscribe, like, whatever. I hope this will help you in real life. Greetings.